Today we got a video from Blue Line Bodycam, and the title of the video is "Dumb Criminal Tries to Outsmart the Cops."
The shots.
Let me call my daddy, man. Get the hell in if I spit in your face, bro.
After a string of convenience store robberies, police track down their suspect, but he doesn't plan to make it easy for them.
Suspect in 3 separate thefts of cigarettes, all local convenience stores over here. I got confirmation from the registered owner that that is the suspect driving the vehicle right now, based off a tile tracker. Clear. He's wearing a gray hoodie with large cold rim glasses when I had eyes on him earlier.
There was a black male walking, headed out of his neighborhood, but he had on a blue hat and gray hoodie.
That sounds like him. Should have some gold rim glasses, rather large glasses on his face.
Just check the 28 just to make sure we got the right car. Just make sure nobody's in it.
No one's in it. He just got home though. His brakes are hot.
We didn't know what we were stopping him for. You said stop him, maybe lost him.
There's a black man in a gray hoodie, blue jeans, walking out back behind here.
What did he say he's walking out?
Black male, gray hoodie, gray shorts, walking out behind, across the little creek back here. Black hats, glasses, black shoes.
That sounds like him based off what I saw earlier. It looks like he took the car keys with him too. They do have a tracker on him, just in case he does get away.
Does he have eyes on him now?
Yeah, he's right there.
You right there?
Yeah, he's right there.
Well, we're at that address at the end, but he's across the creek.
He's gonna be in the yard directly behind this address. He's just pacing back and forth. You still see him?
Yeah.
Is he still there?
Mm-hmm. He's right there.
He's just walking back and forth behind the house. I think he saw us.
Yep, game on.
Hey, boss, go ahead and stop now. Stop now, please.
Game on. Ooh, officers don't like to run.
Stop now, you're gonna get tased.
They're gonna get you together.
Stop now.
I got you.
Lay on the ground. Get on the ground.
Let me call my daddy.
Get out of the ground.
Hey,
Lay down. Hands out. Hands out.
let me put my keys in my
Hands out.
Let me call my daddy, please.
No.
Please.
Call you daddy.
Put your hands out. Now.
I
Put
got
your hands
you.
out.
Let me call my daddy. Let me call my daddy, please. Let me call my daddy. Please, let me call my daddy. Let me call my daddy.
Well, that's a switch up. Normally they like to call the mom.
Let me call my daddy, bro.
We're 1095.
Please, hey, put your phone up, please, officer. Put my phone up. Let me talk to my daddy, please, man. Let me talk to my daddy, man.
Appreciate it. You got anything on you? Any weapons, anything gonna poke me, stick me? Ready, 1, 2.
All right, drop the hat.
Let me call my daddy, please.
No.
Let me call my wife.
You're in.
Quiet,
No,
man.
we ain't letting you call anybody. You go to jail.
Man, please let me call my daddy, bro.
Keep walking.
Y'all look, let y'all quit me.
You ain't shooting that fast.
Are you crazy? Y'all can get away. Y'all can get away from y'all, man. For real.
Officer not.
Man, I let y'all quit me, man. I let y'all quit me, man. Get my hat, man. Get my hat. Please get my hat.
Oh, keep on walking.
Get my hat, man.
We're getting your hat. You keep walking.
Now look, I let y'all quit me. Man, stop pulling on me like that, man. I ain't gonna let you up, man. Man, stop pulling on me, bro. I'm not going nowhere, man. Stop pulling on me for real, now. Stop pulling on me.
Keep on walking, boss. You'll keep walking.
But I'm not gonna do that to y'all, bro. Stop
Then
pulling
stop arguing and keep walking.
Okay, let me get my stuff right, man.
We got your stuff right.
He's hit like 2 to 4 different convenience stores in the last week.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just came from him, his family's house this morning.
Looking for him?
Yeah.
Y'all trying to cut me.
Damn, that's the first in cop shape I done seen the whole thing, though. Bruh, man, damn, bruh. No homo, pause. But hey, you know what I'm saying? Cause we seen the young guy earlier. He a little young, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me see. We see this guy. Where this guy at? This was earlier.
Walking, headed out of his neighborhood, but he had on a blue hat and gray hoodie.
God damn, come on, my guy. You a little too young for all that now. Come on, man.
His family's house this morning.
Looking for him?
Yeah.
Y'all trying to cut me.
Bro, man, look like he eat nothing but steaks.
God damn. How y'all know I was over here?
An off-duty detective saw you and let us know.
Man, Man, I ain't got that on me, man. Y'all ain't got to do all that shit. Man, stop. Get your hands on me if I spit in your face, bro. Get your hands on me if I spit in your face, bro.
my face.
I was spitting in your face.
That's another charge.
I don't give a fuck. I got my spitting charge. You think I care? I was spitting his face. Stop touching me, bro. Let him do it.
Listen.
Let's start trying to do it. Stop taking your hands on me, bro.
Listen, because if you do that, we got to put a spit mask on.
See, he too young to look like that, bro.
Hey!
You ever had a
Let me talk to this sheriff, man. Let me go to this sheriff. Let me go with this sheriff, man.
They're coming over here.
Let me go with this sheriff, man. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that, man.
You say you're gonna spit on people.
I ain't gonna do it, bro.
Listen. You want to go with them?
Yeah, let me go with him.
Last thing.
Okay, all right. He in shape too. All right.
Take your hands off me, man.
Boss, that ain't happening.
I'm not gonna run. I'm not gonna run. You got to worry, but I'm not gonna run, bro.
You already ran.
Hey, sorry. Let me go too far. I wanna go too far. I just came back, bro.
You ain't got no number?
Give him all my property, bro. Give him all my property. Give him all my property. I'm sorry, I'm coming to tell myself into you, bro. Hey, don't change the cuffs so he can get his cup, man. I ain't gonna try that, bro. Take the cuffs off so he can put his cuffs on me.
We're not taking cuffs off. We'll just get him at the jail.
All right, well, let me go with him. I don't even want to. Get your hands on me, bro.
Hey, you got to search you, boss.
No, I'm good, man. Get your hands on me.
No,
Get your hands on me, man.
That ain't how it works. You know
Get your
that.
hands on me. I got sorry know what's going on, man. Get your hands on me,
Right.
man.
He's going to search you before he puts you in his car.
Hey, come here, man.
Chill out.
You know what? It's probably because the reason it's like that is because, and normally I would say, you know, and not even normally, but you know, you can't let the criminals dictate nothing or whatever the case may be, you know, right? That's perfectly understandable. But this dude probably feel more comfortable with Sarge because one, he's a supervisor. Two, he's another minority. You know what I'm saying? So it's just one of them things. You know what I mean? he said, let me go with Sarge, man. You know, in 3, they may have dealt with each other before. You know what I'm saying? Whether he's been in trouble in the past and he has arrested him, maybe as an officer or whatever the case may be, but if they have some sort of history or whatever.
Come here. Who hit the hair?
No.
Who hit it? Oh, so I can't move.
Yeah, you can. I'm going to get you buckled in. We can talk. All right. One thing at a time.
Well, we got these fancy
Hold on, man.
seatbelts.
Hold on, man. No, that's too tight. I can't even breathe, bro.
Because you're sitting sideways.
Yeah, I'm good without it, man. Come on, man. You know that.
God damn, bro.
Hey, hold on. Sorry, do me a favor.
Yeah.
Hey.
He was threatening to spit on people, too, just FYI.
Oh. Yes.
Are you in charge of destruction, too?
Should. I called police, and he kept on running.
All right, I saw him, man.
Because he's what I know.
No. He needed to get tased. I didn't. He was on the ground at that point, so I wasn't going to do it unless I had to.
Hey.
What's up, man?
What you gonna do with the key?
I'm gonna get back to the owner, I guess.
No, listen. That's my wife. No, hold on. Where the keys at? Oh, listen. She's at work in Monroe. I need y'all to call her and tell her that her car's over here. She got it at 4:30, man.
She's a registered owner?
Yeah, she's the registered owner.
I got it then. Her number will be on file.
No, it's not. It's not on file, man. I'm trying to tell you.
Do you know what her phone number
Yes.
is? Hold on a second.
I need you to call and tell her I've been arrested, man. Well, I was turning myself in. I was coming in 202. Adam had called me that one time. I'm going to turn myself in. I was coming to do it. I just can't. I was coming to do it.
Okay.
I was coming to get my money out for y'all. Pulling at my grandma's house. Come on, I wouldn't even down there, bro. No, I was coming there and turn myself in. Oh, you want to see me?
I had nothing to do with that. I was actually looking for the vehicle because that vehicle's been used in multiple shopliftings over the last week with you. So, I mean, it's what it is. I ain't gonna bullshit you.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, like I'm not, you know.
I'm in the shoplifting. It went out on me now. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, y'all smoking cigarette, right?
Yeah. Current cigarettes, yeah.
So how many ones you got to me for that?
I got at least 2, but I think that there's 3.
I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, me. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Okay. Well, I appreciate your honesty, bro.
I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah, with me.
Okay. Hey, this is Dr. Freeland.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Baby. Deja. Yeah. Man, yeah, this Jay, baby.
Yo, what is going on? Like, are you stupid?
Man, no, man, my probation had a warrant. I ain't on anybody, bro. But listen, your car's on my cousin's house, bro. I don't think I do tell you nothing to come pick your car over here with you, baby.
Please don't think like, are you dumb? Like, I have kids. Like, are you stupid right now?
Baby, the car is over here. Come get it.
Okay, I'll handle it getting it.
Like, the things you do, your actions.
Alright, well, I'm not getting anything. We'll get your car back to you. How can I help? How can I help you get your car back?
Okay.
Alright, sounds good.
She said, you stupid.
Yeah, you gonna turn yourself in, all right. We done been in your grandma's house 2 or 3 times. You say you were something. Your ass been running in the woods.
Yeah. You just gotta text me like
Tile tractor.
What the hell is that?
It's a tile tractor.
It's a tractor, right?
Yeah.
How y'all get access to that shit?
We don't. It's not ours. It's hers.
Oh, so
She bought it herself.
So
Like
she-
she always keeps us on her keys. So
she gave y'all access to where he was?
She just sent me a message. She's like, he's over here.
But yeah,
You got
just
a guy
text me when
committing
you get there.
debatably felonies, whether it's a shoplifting or a strong arm robbery when you just...
Your girl snitched on you? Oh, wow. Now that's, wow.
But yeah,
You got
just
a guy
text me when
committing
you get there.
debatably felonies. Like she always keeps us on her keys. So
She gave y'all access to where he was?
She just sent me a message. She's like, he's over here.
But yeah,
You got
just
a guy
text me when
committing
you get there.
debatably felonies, whether it's a shoplifting or a strong arm robbery when you're just grabbing stuff from the clerk. That's kind of debatable. But yeah, you don't want someone like that driving your car, because what are they going to do? They're going to run from you like he just did.
Yeah.
I mean, he was 100 plus going down Cedar Shoals.
Was he?
Yeah. I couldn't catch up. I was going 90. But then again, you see what I drive.
Yeah.
That's about all I can do is 90.
Jeremiah has more than 25 previous cases on his record and was already on probation at the time of this incident. For today's events, he was charged with obstruction of an officer. Because that charge violated his probation, he was sentenced to 60 days in jail and ordered to pay $490 in fines and fees. As always, thank you for watching Blue.
60 days. He'll be right back out doing other crimes. 60 days? Oh, wow, that's just that. Oh, wait, hold on. That's just that case, but he still got the robberies or whatever, or the stealing and stuff. So, man, I don't get it, man, but whatever. How are you not sent away after doing 20 plus crimes? Period. You need to be sent away, gone, out of here. We gonna catch you in about 5 to 10 years. Out of here, cause you not getting it. You're not being a productive member of society. You're just being a nuisance. It's so bad that your own girlfriend snitched on you. Now that's bad. Typically, girls is ride or die, man. They gonna ride with you. You know what I mean? They gonna stick it out thick and thin. You so much of a nuisance that your own girl snitched on you, man. That mean you know you ain't shit. That's a fact. You just low down piece of crap. That's how I go, man. Anyway, them cops did pretty good, man. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Now remember, your own girl snitched on you, man. God damn.